Welcome back, you guys. Alright, so my hair looks absolutely crazy right now. I've actually sectioned the hair out, and this is what it looks like. By the way, I'm going to show you guys how I did the hairstyle I have in the intro. Alright, and my hair is from QVR hair. This is a 100% Afro Kinky bob hair in ginger red. Alright, I think it's in 20 inches as well. So this is basically how they came. And another thing I want to show you guys before I get into the installation is basically how to section the hair, because someone commented in one of my previous video. It's also a hair video I did for QVR hair, and the person said this is some chopped up hair. How can one section this? That she's afraid of it, and that's also why she has not gotten the hair. Alright, and below the comment, a lot of people liked it, meaning a lot of people agree with her. You get? So this is me basically showing you guys how to section the hair. It is absolutely simple. It is as simple as when you section your braiding hair, just that you have to be more careful with this, because they tend to waste easily, if you get what I mean. So this is basically it. It is absolutely simple. I demonstrated how, I get away with it to you guys in this video. As you can tell right here, it is as simple as that. Alright, so that being said, I've gone ahead to start sectioning the hair. So it's really small, I would say, and this is how I actually like my mini twist, the size of my mini twist. Oh, have I told you guys a style? I actually have a name for this one. So this is the shoulder length mini twist. Yes, that's how I decided, or rather I thought of titling the video. So it's a shoulder length mini twist, and I am doing the 3-strand method. I did the old braiding method, splitting hair into 2 strands, joining them together, rather crossing them together. You just saw me did it. I'm going to show it to you one more time, I guess, or 2 times. Alright, so at this point I was done with the back already. It's time for me to concentrate on the front part of the hair. See, the process is still the same. I think I changed the gripping method at some point, but I mean I basically used both methods to get the hair done, and you can't even differentiate, okay? So like I mentioned, I told you guys I am doing the shoulder length mini twist. Another thing I did to make sure everything is, you know, kind of uniform is to cut the ends of the hair immediately I'm done twisting. So this is basically it, you guys. At this point I was done braiding, and it's just time for me to water the hair, right? Moisturize the hair. So I used water, leave-in conditioner, and oil. The oil is to keep the moisture in place or make it last a while, you get. So that's basically it, you guys. That's it. And the rest part of the video is just going to be me, you know, styling and flaunting the hair for you guys to see. Okay, so if you're interested in this hair, please do check the description bar below. Links and details will be on there, and also a discount code. Yeah, also let me know what you think in the comment section. If this is something you will try, what do you think about the color? Do you think it suits my skin tone? I personally think I rock this hair, the hair color. I think so. Okay, but let me know what you think as well. So this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye.
You repair my weakness, satisfying you. wanna stay right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one do you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side like all the time. You want my